Catch the ball, Anna. Throw it back to me.
Wait, Jack. I can hear something over there.
What is it? Let me come and see too.
Oh, look. There's a little puppy hiding here. Don't be scared, little puppy. We won't hurt you.
It's so fluffy and soft. What a cute puppy. Wait, Anna, this puppy has no collar on it.
The poor puppy must be lost and very scared.
We should help find the owner of this puppy.
Yes. Let's ask Mom. She will know what to do.
Come on, little puppy.
We will help you find home. Mom, look what we found. A little puppy was hiding.
Oh, the poor thing. Let me get some water for him. The puppy has soft golden fur and brown eyes. You can ask the neighbors, but stay on our street.
Don't worry, Mom. We will be careful and stay close. Look, Jack. Let's try that blue house over there first.
Hello? We found a lost puppy.
What a cute puppy. But no, it's not mine. Good luck.
Nobody is home here. Let's try the next house, Jack.
Excuse me, have you seen this puppy before today?
I'm sorry, dear. I haven't seen this little one before.
Thank you anyway. We will keep looking for the owner. I hope we can find the owner soon. The puppy needs a home.
We will find them, Anna. Let's try a few more houses.
Sorry, kids, that's not my dog. I hope you find help.
The puppy looks so tired. Maybe we should take a rest?
It's okay, little puppy. We are still trying to help you.
What if we can't find the owner? I feel so worried now.
Don't give up, Anna. Someone is looking for this puppy, too. Hey, kids. How is the puppy search going? Any luck yet?
We've tried so many houses, Dad.
Nobody knows this puppy. Have you looked for lost pet posters around the neighborhood? That's a great idea, Dad. We didn't think of that. Look over there. I think I can see something on that pole.
Let's go see it quickly. It might be for our puppy.
Look at this picture, Anna. It looks just like our puppy.
It's the same puppy. We found the owner's poster at last.
The address says number 12 Pine Street. Let's go now.
We're coming,
Puppy's family. We found your lost puppy.
This must be the house. The door is pink like the poster.
Hello? Is anybody home? We have your lost puppy here.
Yes? Can I help you? I am looking for my lost puppy.
Is this your puppy?
Biscuit, my sweet Biscuit, you found my baby. Thank you. I was so worried about you. I love you so much, Biscuit.
You children are real heroes today. Thank you so much.
The gate was open and Biscuit ran out. I was so scared.
We are so happy we could help you find your puppy today.
Look at Biscuit. The puppy is so happy to be home again.
There you are. Did you find the puppy's owner? How wonderful.
Your children are so kind. They searched everywhere for me.
We are very proud of you both. You did a great job.
Please come visit Biscuit anytime. You are always welcome here.
Thank you. We would love to visit Biscuit and play together.
Goodbye, Biscuit. See you soon. Be a good puppy at home.
Let's go home now. I am so proud of my wonderful children.
Today was a great adventure. I love helping others so much.